Welcome back. If you're trying to eat cleaner, drop a few pounds, or want to feel better after a meal, then this video is for you. I will break down 5 reasons why I stopped eating rice and why I sometimes eat cauliflower rice. It is one of the smartest things I've ever done. Also, I will show you how easy and quick it is to make delicious raw cauliflower rice with a few ingredients without salt, oil, and sugar. Carrots, ripe tomatoes, cilantro, tamari, and peppers. This is a large yellow cauliflower that I got from the farmer's market. In season, you can find white and yellow cauliflower, and they're large and beautiful and delicious. The first one is calories and weight loss. 1 cup of rice is about 200 calories. Cauliflower has 25 calories. That is about 1/8 of a difference. We do know that calories, if you do not burn it off, it causes weight gain, and toxins, and illness. Second is carb control. White rice has about 45 grams of carb per cup. Brown rice has 35 grams. Cauliflower rice has 4 or 5 grams. If you're on keto, low carbs, or want to keep your insulin level steady, then cauliflower rice makes a huge difference. And then cutting the cauliflower in small chunks. The third is blood sugar and energy. Have you ever felt the post-lunch crash? It is likely your blood sugar spiking and crashing, which rice can trigger. With cauliflower rice, I stay energized much longer. No slump, no craving for carbs in an hour. It is like a slow burn kind of energy. It helped me stay focused and fuel my workout. Short and long term. People who eat cauliflower live longer and healthier than rice eater. What happens to our body when we eat too many carbohydrates and we don't burn it off? It spikes our blood sugar, stores fat, impacts our hormone, and causes havoc to our body. Our lifestyle is very different 50 and 100 years ago. Today, we have computers, smartphones, electronic devices, and social media that keeps us inactive. Instead of walking or taking a bicycle, we would use a car for a very short distance, even less than 1 mile. We are eating too many carbohydrates for our body. Once we cut the cauliflower in cubes, wash it, let it dry a little bit, and next is to put it into the food processor. Pulse it until it is rice-like. Next, put the cut, cleaned carrots into the food processor. Pulse it until it is the same size as the cauliflower rice. Carrots is the color bomb. It has the beta-carotene for glowing skin and eye health. It boosts our immune systems. Whether you love it or hate it, cilantro packs a powerful nutrition. If you hate it, then eat any greens. Add any greens to the cauliflower rice. Fourth, bloating and digestion. This one's a big one for me. Rice made me heavy. It is not painful, but something is not right. When I switch over to cauliflower rice, it disappears. It is easier in my gut, and my digestion is way smoother. Plus, there's more fiber, and it helps keep everything moving, if you know what I mean. Now, let's add tomato power. It has high lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant. It supports heart health, and it enhances our skin and bone health. Mixing the cauliflower and carrots together. Fifth, nutrients. Unlike rice, cauliflower has vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, antioxidants, and fiber, and even some phytonutrients which help fight inflammation. Cauliflower rice is actually good for you. Now I will add cilantro and carrots into them. Money depth flavor, and it is gluten-free. What does cauliflower rice taste like? It's a little crunchy because it is totally raw. The crunchiness is from the cauliflower and from the carrots, but it's very good and delicious and very healthy. Sometimes some people in the store, they cook it a little bit and it still kept its crunch. Or if you have a dehydrator, you can put it into a dehydrator and let out the water a little bit. But eating it raw is so much healthier because it still has the liquid in there. The flavor from the tamari and the peppers and the tomatoes and cilantro give us a nice, delicious flavor. Cauliflower is so much healthier than rice. Rice has no value to the body. It only fills you up. If you're starving, yes, eat rice. But if you have the time or the money, you should eat cauliflower. You get used to it, and it will prevent you from being sick, illness, cancer, diabetes, and all those terrible things as you age, and give money to the doctor. So that's the purpose of eating raw fruits and veggies as much as possible. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.